Okay, guys. So we start now. Okay. Can see my screen, guys. Can you check? Boleh nampak screen tak? Can, Okay, good. All right. So we'll start the revision for chapter 4, Bab Cukai. Okay, so first of all, let us see some question. Okay, beberapa soalan. So first question, they ask you to count the chargeable income, kira pendapatan bercukai. Okay, guys. So for the first question, can you all try and see what answer you all get? What will be your answer? They give you your total income, tax relief, and tax exemption. For those take English, you can translate. Okay, total income is 89,340. Tax relief is 2,500. Tax exemption is 11,000. Okay, so what is your chargeable income based on the formula? Can you all comment? Okay, let's check and see. So the answer is yes, correct. Okay, 75,840. This is your chargeable income, pendapatan bercukai kamu. Okay, all right. So next example. Okay, so for this one, this will be the same method lah. How to count the chargeable income. Kaedah yang sama sahaja. All right. So the method is just you take the annual income minus the tax relief minus tax exemption. So your answer is 52,410. All right. Okay. So third type of question. This one different a bit. So can you all try and see, guys? Soalan macam ni berapa pendapatan bercukai kamu? What is your chargeable income for this situation? For those take English, hopefully you understand all the meaning here. It's actually the same only. You just need to see income is 68,210. Then you minus all the other value. Okay, let's check and see. Okay, the answer is correct. Okay, guys. So one thing you need to be careful here. Satu benda kena hati-hati is this one. Can you see this, guys? The limit. Sorry, not this one. Okay, guys, you compare these two value. Bandingkan dua nilai ni. Can you see, guys, that 3,600 is greater than 3,000. Dia lebih besar nilai ni. So, guys, you have to use 3,000 in your calculation. Remember, jangan guna nilai ni. Don't use this value because the hard, your limit here is already max 3,000. So, if you use 3,600, you're wrong already. Salah. Because it already exceed the limit. Dah melebihi had. Alright, so that's why we use 3,000. Understand, guys? Make sure you take note on this part in the text chapter. Kena ambil tahu. Because if you minus the wrong value, right, this value will be wrong. Chargeable income will be wrong. Pendapatan bercukai salah. So everything else, your following calculation, all will be wrong. So make sure you take note of this word, the had, which is the limit. Okay, guys? So the next question is also exactly the same. You can see as well. Okay, so this one, can you all try and see, guys? What answer you get for chargeable income? Apa nilai pendapatan bercukai? The rest also try, yang lain juga cuba. Don't only give Hakim to answer. Later he get lonely. Okay, let me check. 113,421 minus 9,000 minus 11. Okay. Minus. Okay. Not correct. Slightly wrong. Anyone else can help? Hakim? Yang lain boleh bantu? What is your chargeable income in this case? Can you all try and see? No lah. Not 94,421. The rest? Ada manusia here? Can you all try and see? Yes. Okay, that is the correct answer. 95,021. Which was your mistake? Okay, I think most of you all will mistake at this part. Am I right, guys? Because you silap take the value. You use the wrong value already. The limit is 7,000. So you can only take up till 7,000. You cannot use this value. This is the trick. Okay, guys? So you must minus 7,000. Don't minus 11,420. Alright, guys? So then you can get the correct answer. Okay, ini adalah jawapan dia. Understand, guys? Until now? Clear? This is revision, ulang kaji. So make sure you are clear with every single part. Any part tak clear, bagi tahu sahaja. Okay? So next one. Okay, so now we are going to go to the income tax part. Okay, so income tax part, basically you must know how to count income tax. Kamu kena tahu cara nak kira cukai pendapatan. Okay, so let's say they give you the chargeable income is 108,630. Okay, this is your chargeable income, pendapatan bercukai. So I guide you first for this question. Okay, so the first question, basically first step, you must refer to the table, rujuk jadual. So which table? This table, yang ni. So you refer to your chargeable income. So your chargeable income, based on the value, you should get the base tax is 10,900. All right. And take note, this is your 100,000, your first 100,000, RM 1000 pertama. Okay, so your second step, tax on the balance. Okay, baki cukai. So kamu ambil peratusan yang kamu nampak dalam jadual. You take the percentage, 24%, kali dengan baki cukai yang tinggal, your remainder. Means that you take chargeable income, ambil pendapatan bercukai, tolak dengan nilai ni yang kamu lihat dalam jadual. The first RM 100,000, that value you minus with the chargeable income. So then you will get this value. Okay, then dua-dua nilai yang kamu dapat, kamu tambah. You add both the values. That is your total income tax. Okay, guys. So if this question, you see everything, is there anything special I need to minus at the end? Adakah ada apa-apa perkara istimewa yang saya perlu tolak kat akhir? Yes or no? If you refer all the value, should I like minus RM 400? Should I like minus zakat fitrah? Anything? Yes or no? What do you all think? Yes. Okay, there is no rebate in this question. Okay, tak ada rebat. Why no rebate, guys? Try to recall. Mengapa tak ada rebat dalam soalan ni? What will be the reason? Yes. Okay, less than 35,000. Only if your chargeable income is less than 35,000, then you get 400 ringgit rebate. Always remember that. Okay, so this one is way above. Terlalu besar dah. So definitely no rebate. Okay, guys? So this is how you solve basic question lah. So always remember these three steps, guys. Ingat tiga langkah ni. First step, cukai asas, base tax. Second step, tax on next balance, baki cukai. Third step, cari jumlah cukai, total tax. Can you all get it? So you ingat tiga langkah ni. Just remember these three steps for tax calculation. Okay? So next one, guys. Let's say this is the question now. Is there anything special that you need to take note for question B? Adakah ada apa-apa perkara istimewa? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, you will get the rebate because your chargeable income, pendapatan bercukai, kurang dari 35,000, less than 35,000, correct? Okay, so the rebate is RM 400. Yes. Okay, so yeah, until here, correct? So now, can you all tell me back? Refresh. First step, kita buat apa in taxation when we do the calculation? Apa langkah pertama kita? What is the first step? Yes, but in this case, you already get the chargeable income. So no need to find chargeable income. So next step, what you do? No, there is one word for it. Just now only I told, ada satu perkataan, base tax. Okay, you must find your cukai asas. Base tax is the first value you see in the table. Okay, all this value here, guys. This one, this. All this is called base tax, cukai asas. This one, is for you to count the tax on next balance, baki cukai. This is the percentage, peratusan. Understand, guys? So this is how you read the table. All right. So next one. Okay, so for this one, right, you can refer to table. So first step is you refer table. So you will get the base tax is RM 150. Okay, cukai, what is it? Cukai asas 150. Okay, so then second step, you find the tax on the next balance, baki cukai. Okay, so how to find? You use the percentage, guna peratusan yang diberi, which is 3%. Okay, then you times with chargeable income minus the value you see in the table. Okay, kamu ambil 3% kali dengan pendapatan bercukai tolak nilai dalam jadual. Berapa RM pertama mereka akan nyatakan. Okay, then you will get the answer and then you find your total tax, jumlah cukai. Take the first answer plus the second answer. You get this answer. And always remember, here got rebate, right? Dia ada rebat. So you must minus RM 400 at the end. So guys, can you see your final answer? 320. Okay, so guys, you think at this value. Cuba fikir sekejap kat nilai ni. Is it little, guys? Is it very few? Yes or no? Your tax you need to pay. Very little, right? Okay, so why is it little? Anyone know the reason? Mengapa jumlah cukai yang kamu dapat untuk bayar sangat rendah? Why is it so low?
Low income.
Very good. That is the answer. Because your income is low. Very good. Okay, jumlah pendapatan kamu rendah. Okay, this tax is imposed on the poor folks. Yes, correct. Okay, this is for the poorer people in the society. Orang yang tak kaya sangat. Okay, so orang biasa-biasa, normal people like us, if you refer to the table, right, maybe your income will be somewhere here. Am I right, guys? This is for normal people. Do you agree with me? Orang biasa. This will be the chargeable income. So means that your base tax will be 4,600. Okay. Then you can calculate your tax on the next balance. So max, your tax can go maybe is around 6,000 something. Okay, 6,000 something or 7,000 something. It won't be greater than 10,000. It'll be less than 10,000 definitely. Okay, so this is how you can predict and estimate how much tax you need to pay. Okay, so next one. Okay, so for part C, special a bit, you got zakat, RM 500. Okay, guys, first question, zakat, you minus at the beginning or minus at the end? Which one? Very good. Okay, tolak kat akhir. Always remember. Okay, at the last step. All right. So if you see this value, is there a rebate? Adakah kamu dapat RM 400? Okay, very good. You won't get the rebate. Okay, so now you can count already. Just refer to the table. So first step, base tax is 600. Okay, then you count tax on next balance, baki cukai, based on the table 8%. So you times with chargeable income, pendapatan bercukai, tolak nilai dalam jadual, 35,000. Okay, then you will get this answer. Plus both value, you get total tax, zakat RM 500, so kena tolak zakat kat akhir. So this is your final answer, jawapan akhir, 12160. Okay guys, do you get more familiar with the step? Kamu dah biasa kan dengan langkah-langkah ni? You should be familiar by now already. Okay, don't think I repeat means you feel bored. Jangan fikir macam tu. Saya ulang banyak kali tak bermaksud saya nak membosankan kamu. I just want to let all the steps stick in your mind. That's why I repeat many times. Okay, itu sebab saya ulang. Sebab nanti kamu akan auto ingat langkah dia. Okay, tak perlu belajar sekali lagi. That's why saya ulang banyak soalan yang berbeza. Okay, so yeah, practice make perfect, guys. I think you all believe in this statement, right? Kamu semua setuju dengan pernyataan ni. Okay, so it's really true. You try and see. Kamu cuba. Practice make perfect, your trial grade will increase if you keep on practice. Okay, so yeah, this one also the same question, same type. So basically, the step exactly the same. First step, refer table, rujuk jadual, get your base tax. Okay, second step, tax on next balance, baki cukai. Third step, total tax, jumlah cukai. Fourth step, you have zakat. Whenever you have rebate or zakat, right, guys, your total step will become 5. Okay, usually the step is only 3, right? Am I right? But now since you have zakat, it will increase to 5 steps. Okay, actually 4 lah, not 5 actually. Okay, 4 langkah. All right. So your final answer, you will get 885.16. Okay. Until now, any problem for every single one of you here? Ada apa-apa masalah? Nah. Okay. Just make sure you don't silent over there lah. In case you have problem, you must share. No matter you feel like your problem is like don't make sense at all to you, it's okay. You still share with me. Okay, it will make sense to me. Don't worry. Okay, sometimes you feel like your problem is the only one, is the only thing in the world that cannot solve, but actually can be solved one. You just need to share it with others. Okay, every problem has solution. This is what maths teach you, right, guys? Mathematics tell us that every problem has solution. Correct? Setiap masalah pasti kena ada penyelesaian dia. Example, all these are problems. Am I right? We are finding the solution. Same with your life. You have problem, definitely got solution one. Okay. So next one, number 3. So let's say they give you annual income 61,593. Okay, this one got special a bit. They tell you got tax relief, pelepasan cukai. The value is this one. Okay, and then another information. They tell you got zakat, RM 700. So they want you to count your income tax, cukai pendapatan. Okay. Huh? I don't teach chemistry now lah. Now it's maths class, mathematics. Okay. Okay. So now you first step, you list all the information. Okay. Kamu letak semua info yang ada. Okay. So first step, as always, count your chargeable income. Okay. This one got extra one step because the previous question, right? They already give you the chargeable income. Pendapatan bercukai sudah diberi. So means that you have total 4 steps if got zakat. Oh, okay. When free, I try lah. Okay, so now, okay, so first step, you must find the chargeable income, pendapatan bercukai for this question. So you take your total income minus tax exemption minus your tax relief. Okay, so you will get 47,273. Itu nilai dia. Okay, then always after get chargeable income, setelah dapat dah, rujuk jadual. Okay, refer to table. So RM 600. Then third step, again is the same. Okay, you count the tax on next balance. Okay, baki cukai. So you will get 981.84. And then the fourth step, you count the total tax, jumlah cukai. Okay, you will get this value. And then finally, you want to count your final tax, you take your total tax minus the zakat. Okay, zakat in this case is 700. So this will be your final answer. Okay, do you all get it? Boleh faham? This one is another type of question. Okay, now you bosan, right? We switch question. Okay, kita tukar soalan pula. Now we involve the PCB. Okay, so PCB guys, whenever you see PCB, this value, is it for month or year? Which one? RM 300. Very good. Okay, where got Hakim? This one is monthly. Okay, remember guys, this one is bulanan guys. RM 300 is PCB. PCB is always monthly. Monthly tax deduction. Okay, so RM 300 is monthly. So make sure to convert later. Kamu kena tukar dari bulanan ke tahunan. Alright. So now they tell you your chargeable income is 75,311. This is your pendapatan bercukai. Yes, correct. Okay, so now if you count and see, right? Kalau kamu kira, okay, so first step, as always, we ulang balik is refer table. Okay, lihat balik jadual. Your base tax is 4,600. Okay, second step, All the same. Third step, fourth step. Okay, fourth step, you must count your PCB. Okay, which is like what they write, 300 times 12. Because PCB is 1 month, always remember, satu bulan. So you need to convert to 1 year. Tukar kepada tahunan. Then you find the baki, the balance. How to find the balance? You take your income tax, cukai pendapatan, tolak dengan PCB, minus your PCB. So this is the balance that you need to pay, this value. Do you all get it? This one is extra step a bit. Okay, you must convert PCB and minus both the values. Then you will get the answer. Can guys? So far, all of you can get it. This is the another type of question. Okay, so next one. Okay, so now we come to the road tax, cukai jalan. Okay, so for road tax, right? The question is, you have to count the total road tax. Kira jumlah cukai jalan. Okay, so if you refer here, guys, motorcycle, 220cc. What can you all tell me? What is the base rate? Kadar asas berapa? Yes. So your value? What is the answer for motorcycle? Yes. Okay, we follow this one. Correct. Because 220cc. Okay. For now, the car. What is your base rate for car? Apa kadar asas for kereta? If you refer table, you should get. Yes. Okay, RM 280. Because your car CC is in this range. Dalam julat ni. Can we stop here, guys? Boleh tak kita henti kat sini? Or we need to continue? Okay, very good. Must continue. Okay, take note. If you exceed 1800cc, you must continue. Kamu kena sambung. Kalau lebih dari nilai ni. Okay. So how to count the progressive rate, guys? Can anyone tell the answer if you know? Macam mana kira kadar progresif?
50 times 50 cent.
Yes, very good. Okay, so basically is you just take the difference of this value and this value, 60 perbezaan, times with the rate, 0.5. So your answer is RM30 for progressive rate. Okay, so final answer, you just add up every single value. Okay, then you will get the correct answer. Okay, guys, are you all clear? Hey, wait. Over here, I think got mistake. This one I write wrongly code. This one should be 30. Okay, not 4. There's a mistake here. This one should be 30. 30. Okay, so correct the answer, guys, so that you won't write the wrong thing. This one is 3. Okay, guys, are you clear for this question? Boleh faham? Can? Okay, good. Okay, so next one. Okay, let me see. Okay, do you all want to play game like what I did last time? Boy team, girl team? You all want? Semua mau. Okay, so everyone here, for those that are boy, please type me first, because I don't know how to differentiate based on the Google Meet who is boy and who is girl. For those who are boy, type me in the comment box. Then only I can count easily. Okay, that one I know 1. Karthik I know 2. Aife I know 3. Okay, 4. Anyone else boy here beside me? I think 4 only, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Ahmad Haris also boy. So 5. Okay, so 5 boy. Let me see the girl. Okay, girls, can you all respond? Oh, male also. Okay, 6. Total 6 male. Okay, so the girls should be 1, 2, and 3. Wow, girls team very few lah. Okay, 4. Sorry, 4. Think it's 4. Okay, still can. Quite equal lah. Okay, so who want to start first? Which team? Boys team or girl team? Okay lah, I give the girls first. Okay, girls team start first. Okay, so first person, Farhana, can you try question number 7? Boleh cuba? Kalau kamu ambil BM shouldn't be problem lah. Kamu boleh selesaikan number 7. Because this one is very easy. Sangat senang. So, bila dapat jawapan, kamu boleh komen. Boys team don't answer. For the lelaki, jangan jawab. Or else your team will get minus point. Okay? Oh, okay. Never mind. I skip to the next person. It's okay. Angela, can you help your friend for question 7? What will be the answer? It's okay, no worries. So basically, the question is the property assessment tax is 5%, and then they tell you 1 month the rent is 1,500. So they ask you to count what is the total property assessment tax that you need to pay. Quite logic. So what will be your answer? If you don't know how to do, you can tell me. Don't worry. Okay. I just said boys team don't answer, right? So minus 1 point for boys team. Congratulations, Karthik. You made your boys team go down. Okay, so Angela, are you here? If you're here, just type me first for Angela. Oh, okay. Then I help you. Okay, still 0 point. Never mind. Okay, so Angela, are you here or not? Okay, if none, then I skip to the next person lah. Okay, so for Emily, can you try and see? Question 7. Correct. Very good. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, the answer is 900. So girls team 1 point. Very good. Okay, so basically 1 month is 1,500. So 12 months, you have to count for 1 year. Why? Now everyone can answer. 5%, guys. Is this 5% annually or monthly? Adakah 5% ni bulanan atau tahunan? Which one? What do you all think? The rest? 5%.
Bulanan.
Okay, some more. The rest? Can you try? Okay, so I can tell the answer lah. Okay, the answer is actually yearly. Okay, it's tahunan, guys. Remember, guys, the 5%, any percentage they give you in this chapter is annually. Okay, tahunan. That's why we need to convert this one to tahun. Do you understand now? If this one is monthly, right, guys? Kalau ni bulanan, why do I need to convert this value? Am I right? Mengapa saya kena convert? Because it's already in bulan. So I can direct times. So that's the logic. Okay, so why we times 12? Because this is yearly. Nilai ni secara tahunan. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, so next. Okay, so for question 8. Okay, now boys team lah. Okay, so try and see. Wait, I call name for boys team. Okay, let me see who should I tell. Okay, Ahmad Hafiz, since you start with letter A, I think you should give jawapan A jugalah. A bukan untuk alamat, A untuk jawapan A. Okay, solid answer. So now, cuba bagi tahu. Yang ni senang saja. Hah? Saya dah explain. Okay, Sat, saya tunjuk working. Okay, ini soalan 7. This is number 7 working, guys. If you want to refer. Okay, so number 8. Boleh bagi jawapan tak? Number 8 ni paling senang. Very easy. So dah dapat Ahmad Hafiz untuk soalan 8. What is your answer? Kalau tak tahu soalan 8 kamu boleh bagi tahu. Kalau kamu tak tahu macam mana nak buat. If you don't know how to do, just tell. So dah tahu ke? Ahmad, apa jawapan kamu? Bukan? Salah. Okay, so boys team still 0 points guys. Okay, boys team no point. No, cannot. Although correct, you late already. It's still wrong. Wrong. The answer is 45. Okay, the answer is 45. But I call Ahmad. So other person cannot answer. Okay, so it's still 0 point. Okay, so the guys, how to solve question 8? You take the area times the what is the name? Jumlah cukai, your total tax. Okay, so it's 0.15 times 300. So your answer is 45. Itu sahaja. Okay, so next one. Okay, girls team, back to you. So now girls team, what do you say? This one is not that straightforward. Okay, Alisa, can you try and see number 9? This one should be okay. Oh, tak boleh buat silap, cannot do careless. Alisa, if you take in English, please tell me, because I need to help to translate for you. If you take in DLP, you can tell in the chat box to me. Do you take DLP or not? Okay, so basically the question is, they want you to count your total bill, including the service tax. So the service tax here is 6%. Then they give you all the information. So example, nasi goreng is 6 per plate. And then ayam goreng is 5 for one piece. And then coffee is 4 per cup. Okay, so then you just can calculate the normal process. Very good. Okay, girls team, 2 points. The answer is 2120, guys. Very good. Okay, so this is how you solve. Okay, so basically, the catch is they tell you you have 2 ayam goreng. So you must times this value by 2. That's all. Okay, then you will get the answer of 20, your total bill. And then how to count service tax? Macam mana kira cukai perkhidmatan? Guys, do you all understand why I put 106%? Everyone here? Can you get the meaning? If anyone don't know how I get 106%, can you all tell me? Kalau tak tahu, I think all should know, right? Basically, 100% is your original bill, tax 6%, so your latest bill is 106% times this value. So then you will get the answer. Okay? So your answer is 2120 selepas cukai, after the tax. Okay, guys? So until now, are you all clear? So now we go to some objective question. Okay, soalan objective. Okay, so now back to the boys team lah. Okay, so for boys team, Aife, wow, you entered the perfect time. After Ahmad Hafiz is Aife. So Aife, can you try this objective? Should be senang only. For boys team now. Now girls team is already 2. Boys team still kosong. So try to help your team. Come on, you do this. Guys, this is why I say quality is better than quantity, guys. You see in this Google Meet, got how many girls inside? Less than half of the total number. But the girls team leading by 2. But the boys got so many, still 0. I don't know lah. It's just quality better than quantity. Wow, got a lot of support, huh? 3 people. Don't pressure him. If you pressure him, then he will make me. GG lah. Okay, this one cannot help. Okay, so for this case, help. Okay, so let me call the next person. The next boy is Chua Bun Kang. Can you try and see this question? What is the answer you get? Only in this case, I allow the next person to answer. If really don't know. You can direct tell your answer. A, B, C, D. Which one? Huh? Don't know also. Wow, this one too much already lah, guys. Cannot. 2 people max. Cannot go some more already. Okay. So for voice team, still 0 points. Cannot. Too much already. Okay. So next one. I mean, how to solve this? Okay. So basically, very simple, guys. You must count your total area. Kewa jumlah luas 6.5 times 24.9. Then you times 0.40. Do you all understand? Chua Bung Kang and Ife? Because the rate RM 040 is for 1 meter square. 1 meter square is 040. So now you have this area 6.5 times 24.9. Then tell the answer. Don't be afraid. Okay, wrong doesn't matter. You just put your answer. Okay, so you should get the answer is D. Okay, jawapan is D. Understand, guys? So this is for question 4. Okay, back to girls team. So girls team will do question 5. So let me see who is the next one. Angela, are you back for girls team? If you're here, please comment me. If not here, I will go to the next person already. Yeah. Okay. So next person, Emily, can try this question. Lucky this one got DLP. Much easier. This question very special, you know, guys. That's why I asked Emily. But actually, it's coincidence only lah. It come to her. If you can tell the answer for this question, right? No, totally different question. It's not the same. You try and see, and tell your answer what you get. I want to see how confident you are with your answer. So, do you get ready? Whatever answer you have, you just share. Don't worry. You say what you get. Don't just simply say. You say what you have on your paper. You get 200 on your paper. Okay. So I reveal to everyone. Okay, the answer is not 200. Okay, 200 is wrong. Okay. So no points lah. Okay, so guys, if anyone try this question, right? Kalau kamu semua cuba kan soalan ni, you will notice one thing, guys. No answer is correct. Every answer is wrong. This is the speciality of this question. There is no answer. So you must tell me the correct answer. Okay, too late lah. It's not your chance. It's not your turn actually. Okay, the correct answer is actually 220. Okay, so there is no answer. Okay, so I simply put this question. Yeah, invalid. Okay, so how to do, guys? Basically, okay, actually I show here already. Okay, so for question 5, how to get 220? You will take engine capacity 1650. So your base rate, kada asas is RM 200, and then progressive rate, kada progressive, you take your current CC 1650 minus 1600, because the table say exceed 1600, you must times 0.4. Oh, so you found the mistake already lah. Okay, so good. So basically you will do like this. Okay, then you add both values, you get the final answer 220. Okay, so I think the question come out wrong. Okay, soalan salah. So they didn't consider this value. They only consider the 200. Okay, which is wrong, because total vortex is base rate plus the progressive rate. Okay, kada asas tambah kada progressive. Okay, guys. All right. So next one. Okay, another question on restaurant. Okay, so now it's back to the boys team. Okay, so boys team. Next person is who that? Okay, Karthik lah. Because just now I call Chua Bungkang. So now Karthik. Okay, so can you try? The question is calculate the total amount based on all of this. Okay, so you must go through carefully one by one. Not for you. This question is for Karthik. If you want me to, okay. The rest also you can try out, okay? Don't just because your friend solving, you chill over there. If I zoom out, right, you can see the answer already. That's why I don't want to show. Okay? Because I try to fit everything into one page to reduce the number of page. Okay. So do you get Eddie? What will be your final answer? Okay. Slow and steady, guys. When you slow and steady, you will get correct one. Trust me. Okay. Guys, just one thing I want to ask lah. For the rest of you here, right? Can you tell me like when is your school trial? Do you know what is the date already? Besides for Hakim, the rest of you, can you like share a bit? I want to
So we
see.
only know which month.
1 to 9 August, I say. 1st September or September also. Okay. Wow, some got 14 August also. So weird. But I think that one is Amali, like what you said. Okay, let me check. Yes, the answer is correct. Very good. So 1 point for boys team. Finally. Okay, so the answer is 292.56. Okay. So how to do it? Basically, you just need to times all the value. Okay, so happy, you all get 1 point finally after so long. Okay, so guys, do you all need explanation on this? I think it's quite simple, right? 4 chicken chop, so 4 times 26, 2 beef, 2 times 40, and then 1 spaghetti, so 1 times 38. Where is the 38? Let me check and see. Spaghetti, sorry, 1 times 18, and then 1 pizza, 6 water. So 1 times 35 plus 6 times 650. So this is your working. This one guys, kalau kamu nampak ni, kamu boleh skip langkah ni. You no need to do this one. Okay, means direct you take 106%. Like what I told you all just now. Kamu ambil terus 106% kali 16.56. Then you will get directly jawapan dia 292.56. Okay guys, boleh dapat? Are you clear for this question? Should be okay, right? Okay, this one is the normal type of text. Okay, so next one. Okay, so for question B2, now back to the girls team. So girls team, let me check. Who should I ask now? Hanani, boleh cuba soalan ni? Tiba-tiba left. Angela, are you back? Hello, Angela. Maybe lagging code. Okay, never mind. Back to Emily. Means basically now girls got 2 only. Okay, so Emily, you need to carry your team. Okay, your girls team. Unless you invite more girls inside lah, then got chance for you all to carry more. More easy for you both. Okay, so now question B. I think you want me to translate, right? Emily. Are you okay with BM version or you need the English version? If you can count, okay, BM can lah. Okay, so you count and see what is the answer you get. Take note, they don't want the tax. Tidak termasuk cukai. So means it's just the original value. Guys, just want to ask lah, for maths, right? Any one of you over here particularly struggle in one topic, like a particular topic? Ada apa-apa topic kamu rasa struggle a lot? Can you all share to me? Like everyone here? Feel free to share because maybe I can give a yes from form 1 to form 5. Any particular maths topic you struggle or not? Like if everyone here can give one topic, then total I'll have a lot of topic already. Translation, rotation thing. Oh, means form 5 actually will cover that. So that one, no worries. You will learn with me also after this. Probably, Karthik, I'm saying modern maths, not ad maths. Probability distribution is ad maths, right? Ketaksamaan linear. Okay. Okay, I think I get it. Ketaksamaan linear is form 4 actually. We'll revise that one. Form 4 also. Oh, okay, okay. We'll revise that. Don't worry. When the intensive class start, right, guys, somewhere in middle October, I will revise all the form 4 topics for y'all from chapter 1 to 10. Maths and ad maths. Means like we finish the form 5 syllabus already lah by then, hopefully. Okay, we got 3 more chapters to go only. 5, 6, 7. 5 is repeat lower form. 6 is very short. 7 is okay, moderate. So I think we can cover by October. Okay, but for your trials, you need to study ahead lah. Okay, because I cannot complete by trials. Okay, saya tak boleh habis. So how you want to study ahead? You follow my YouTube. Okay, just look through all the recordings one. Everything is there already. Okay, so for Emily, slightly wrong. Very little wrong. The answer is actually 11.89. Okay, very close. Okay, let me check and see. Is there any mistake in the answer or not before I tell? Okay, I think the answer is correct. So let me see again. Okay, so basically, right, they tell you that 1260 is including the tax 6%. So we need to get rid of that tax. My name, like you see in the Google Meet now, Bhuvanraj Ganesh MOE. You just type that, then it'll come out. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so basically you must form the equation. So guys, we can make an assumption. Okay, so if you see over here, the assumption is X is the original price for the coffee, harga asal. So means that original price plus the tax, you will get the latest price. Do you all understand this concept? Okay, harga asal tambah cukai, kamu dapat harga dengan cukai. Ini adalah harga dengan cukai. This is the total amount with tax. So you just need to solve this linear equation. Then you will get the answer for X. So X is actually 11.89 after you solve. Do you all understand? This is the method. Can you see this type of question is slightly new? Sedikit baru kan? Because they modify a bit. They change the way they ask. Okay, so that's why it look like different. But actually it's not different. Okay, it's still the same concept. All right. So until here, are you clear? So this one we done already. Okay, so now back to the boys team. Question number 5. Okay, this one is on Vortex. Okay, so next boy, who should I call? Okay, Hakim lah. Correct, it's your turn. Okay, Hakim. So for this question, you must count the total road tax, jumlah cukai jalan. Yes. Hakim, you from very famous school, right? DJ school. So make sure you make your school name proud. Okay? Must show the power of DJ student over here. DJ is Damansara Jaya. Okay? It's a short form. Yeah. It's basically in PJ, Petaling Jaya, if I'm not mistaken. So once you get the answer, you can share. Also, just want to ask, anyone here like feel like not motivated for their trials? Anyone here like have this feeling like no spirit to fight for their trial, kind of lost a bit? Is it generally or certain subject? Guys, I already tell you guys, please don't focus on your midterm marks. Okay, if you're still focusing on midterm marks, right, it's enough. You are not ready for trials already. Okay, you must switch your mind. Okay, just switch your mode to trial mode. Midterm marks won't affect anything, guys. Trust me. It won't appear anywhere also. What is going to appear is to apply for uni, you're going to use your trial. Am I right, guys? To apply to university. Trial, SPM, they'll always ask for any uni. Trial results. More important, SPM result. SPM is first priority. Trial is second priority. So let's say, guys, if your SPM not good, right? What is going to save you? Your trials. Your grade trial is important. Let's say something happened in the country, SPM tak boleh dijalankan. You cannot sit for SPM. Which grade are they going to refer to, guys, to send you to university if SPM cannot go through? Trials. That's why trial is important. Let's say if SPM cannot happen in our country, something happened. So that's why trial is a very important backup. Okay. So Hakim, let me check and see. Okay, let me see. Yes, very good. So boys team is 2, right? Should be 2 marks now, right? Okay, it should be 2. So yes, same with girls also. Girls also 2. Very good. Now you, Hakim. Okay, so this one basically they tell you is 1799 cc. So 1799 cc. First step, you must find the base rate. So base rate is over here. This one, RM200 Kada Asas. This one I don't know how to tell you because it's your mind. I cannot like read your mind and tell you to forget. You must do it on your own. Okay? You just think of how important is your trial result to apply for uni. I say, don't lie like that. You make my heart also very sad, you know. You tell like this. Hopefully, the SPM result, right? When you cry, is the good tears lah. Hopefully, I can help you to that. When you get SPM result, you will cry the good tears. Okay, what? 68 still can push up one. No problem. Okay? No problem. Definitely you can get an A in SPM. Okay. So now progressive rate. Oh, you climb is the good cry, is it? Not the bad cry. Oh. Oh, okay. I think I misinterpreted already. Eh? Bad cry. Oh, understand. So the standard is like that lah. Okay, now I get it. Okay, so I understand. Never mind. Sometimes, guys, you drop. It's alright. It's normal. Guys, you imagine lah. You're a person who always score A. Am I right? The pressure to maintain that A, is it high or not, guys? Definitely high, right? A person who consistently performs so good need to maintain that pressure and withstand. So it's actually harder compared to the person that start from low trying to go high. But at the end, both might reach the same goal. But who have more pressure? The person who is at the high, not the person who is at the low going to the high. Yes. So that's why I say start from low and at high. That's the best thing. Okay, or even moderate. Moderate, you go to high. Yeah. So don't always like set that expectation you must get A every time. Okay, don't think like that. Okay, it will work against you. Trust me. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so now they tell you 1799 cc. So basically, same step, 1799 minus 1600. This is your progressive rate times the rate, 0.4. Then you add both value, you get the answer. Clear, guys? For this question, should be okay, right? Oh, I already showed the answer. Okay, never mind. This question I discussed with you all because the answer is too clear. Okay, so for this one, they tell you that the rent is 4,000 per month. So always, guys, when you see bulanan per month, always remember convert to year times 12. You will get this. Okay, and then you times with your rate. Then you will get your final answer. Okay, guys. So can I ask you, this value you get, is it for 1 month or 1 year? The 1920 every 1 year. Can you respond? 1920. Is it for 1 month or 1 year? Which one? You think and see. It should be for 1 year. Am I right, guys? Yeah. Because you already times 12 here. Means that your calculation is already talking in term of year. No more months already. Okay. So now it's back to the girls team lah. Okay. So girls team. I think now is Alisa, right? Should be you. Okay. So Alisa, I help you translate lah. This one. Okay. So for this one, let me check and see first. This one is dealing with cukai tanah. So basically, they tell you in Negeri A, in the state of A, they say that the rate is 0.035 per kilo. Wait, KPS is, never mind, you just say KPS lah. Okay, and then in the outside of the town, the rate is 0.015. Okay, so now they tell you in the town, this is the rate, 2,500. Outside the town is 665. So how are you going to know the total rate for in the town plus outside the town? I think it's quite logic also. You just need to use some ratio only. While she is calculating, I tell you all one story lah. For those that have high expectation, like IFA always say you want to get A, right, for maths. Am I right? Okay, I tell you one story for me. I think you know already lah, this story. I got tell before. Okay, so basically, do you believe that one time in Form 3, I get C for maths? Every time A, you know, Every single exam I get A, from standard 1 until form 5. Every exam is A, except that form 3 exam I get C. Means every like 30 over exam I get A already, but one exam C. So that's why I say don't set high expectation. Okay, because once the paper like change in a certain way you don't like, basically I will say the paper is, I think not according to format lah, the paper. I think that's why I struggle. But still is a C is a C lah. Okay, I have to accept it. So yeah. I think in form 3, was it form 3 or sorry, form 2 I think, if not mistaken. Yeah, I think form 2. Form 2 got a lot of drawing, right? Maths. You must learn how to draw the perpendicular bisector, lower form, all that. Do you all still remember? You must draw like 60-degree triangle. Form 4, form 5, all A lah for maths. Every exam also A. But A plus, I didn't really get for maths. I get solid A only. But SPM finally A plus lah. Other science subject other science subject is A plus mixed with A. Yeah, that's all. A plus or A? None. Must be consistent lah. So Elisa, do you get a D? The answer? Hopefully this will motivate you all, Adila. At least some motivation to like push yourself. You don't need to reach that kind of level. You just try to compete with yourself and beat your previous standard. That is the way. Don't try to compare with other person, but you compare with yourself and try to beat your previous version of yourself. All right. So okay, later I will share that. Okay, Alisa, do you get a D? If don't know how to do, you just tell Don't be worried or anything. So, Alisa, do you know how to do this one? Number 7. Eh? Just now I translate the D what for you. Never mind. I tell one more time. So they say the town is 0.035, the rate. Okay, and then for outside of the town, the rate is 0.015. Okay, sorry. Maybe I not so clear just now. Okay, and then for the town, they tell you the total area of land is 2,500. And then for outside the town, the total area of land is 665. So they ask you to count the total tax you need to pay. So basically, these two is the rate. Rate. You can assume KPS as meter square lah, okay, to make things easier. And this one is the value. How many meter square? All these values are in meter square. You can think like that. Make it easier. So I think now you can count already. So do you get Adi? Remember they ask you the total, so you must add the tax for the town with the tax for outside the town. You must add both value because they ask you total. Just share whatever value. Very good. Okay, the answer is correct. Okay, it's 97 point something something. Okay, very good. So another point for the girls team. Okay, so the answer you will get is 97.48. Okay, so basically you are taking the rate for 1 kps times the total area. Makes sense, right, guys? 1 kps is 0.035. So 2500 kps is how much? So you need to times both. Same for the luar bandar, outside the town. You repeat the same step with the value dengan nilai yang diberi. Then you add both answer. You will get the final answer. Okay, guys? Can get it? This one is the second last question, if I'm not mistaken. Question 8. Okay. Alisa, you also from DJ, right? If not mistaken. So you got one friend here lah, which is Hakim. Have you met him before? He also from DJ. Okay, maybe not same class lah, I think, but same form. Okay, both also form 5. So yeah. Okay, so now question number 8. Hakim Ahmad. Hakim suddenly silent. Just now you so active, Hakim. Okay, so number 8. Okay, so this one is actually is this okay? This not textbook, it's different question. Okay, so they ask you to count the total vertex. Okay, so this one I help you to solve lah, since it's the same type. So they tell you got two types of car. Okay, so 2356 cc and also 1798 cc. So these are your two cars. So you must refer to the jadwal. Okay, so 23, the one will fall under here, and then 1798 will fall under here. So this is your base rate. Okay, so you need to plus both value because they want the total tax. So you must add for both cars. Okay, and then make sure you use the progressive rate. Same steps. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, so for progressive rate, you take the current CC minus the limit shown over here. Like example, 2000 and 1600. Okay, it's the same steps. Then you add both value at the end. You will get final answer is 1015.20. Okay, guys, everyone clear? Now we will go to the last question, Adi. Soalan terakhir. Okay, so now is boys team lah. Okay, so boys team, this is your chance to get correct lah. Now you come. Hakim, just now I call you, you not respond. Now you respond. Ayo, somewhere you went, I think. Okay, so last one. They want you to count the vertex. Okay, so this one. Okay, you got two vehicles here. Oh, just now I say you have another friend from DJ over here in this Google Meet. But I thought you will be like excited a bit. CC, you're not excited also. Okay. So never mind. Okay, so they want you to find the total vertex for these two. So boys team, let me see who to call. Ahmad Hafiz lah. Back to you. Okay. So boleh cuba soalan ni. Okay, so basically jangan takut. Okay, so I help you a bit lah. Okay, motorbike, kamu refer sini. Kereta, you refer over here. Cuba kira jumlah cukai yang kena bayar. You must find total. Yes. So apa nilai dia kat akhir? This type of question, right, guys, actually they like to ask in objective, paper 1, especially word text. So you won't see this in paper 2, okay, because this type of question very easy. So they will come out paper 1, kertas 1 always. So you don't need to worry for paper 2, this one. Usually in paper 1, okay. Okay, bila dapat, tolong share jawapan Ahmad Hafiz. So the rest of you over here, do you all feel more confident in this chapter after today? Feel more confident, right? Told you, revision class is always help you a lot because you recap everything in the chapter already, one shot. Except the theory parts. The theory part I never include today. Today is all calculation, pengiraan. Okay, so theory, don't get. Okay, so I cannot ask anyone help lah. This one. So basically, the girls team win lah for today. So congrats to the girls team. Okay, girls team 3, boys team 2. Okay, so you have to accept. Okay, so wow, Emily happy already. Okay, so now basically your base rate for motorcycle is 50 kada asas. Then your base rate for car is 380. But then for car, you have extra rates, which is the progressive rate. Okay, kada progressive. So how to count? Exactly the same. You take the current CC minus the ori CC times the rate, which is RM1. Okay, then you will get the car. And then motorcycle, you direct take 50 because no progressive rate. Tada kada progressive. So then you add up both answer. Tambah yang ni dengan yang ni. So you will get the final answer, 917. Okay, everyone here, are you all clear? Boys team and girls team? Okay, so now what we gonna do? Okay, so now basically I got tell you all right. I got actually share some objective. Actually, I never share yet. I have some objective question for you all to try out on this chapter. Okay, so I will share to the group now. Okay, so that you all can try out for the remaining 15 minutes. Okay, so let me share with you all the question first. This is like to recap the theory part plus the calculation. So actually it's objective questions. Okay, that you all can try now. Okay, so let me send it first. You can take this as your test lah, small test for chapter 4, so that you all can check do you understand or not the chapter 4 clearly. Okay, so you can check now. I think total question got is, let me see, all objective. I think total is 12 if not mistaken. Yeah, the total is 12. Okay, so basically any question that you all struggle now, right, you can tell me when you see the question I send. Any question you struggle, you tell me. I will choose that question to discuss right now when you see all those questions. So you all get already, every single one of you. Hopefully you all see the question already. So any question inside there you feel like difficult slightly, you can tell now, everyone here. I will discuss with you all one shot. Or maybe better still, we go through all the question. Can guys? Do you want to go through every question? All the 12? Can Okay. So in that case, we discuss lah. Okay, let me share screen back. I should go here. Okay. So we start with question 1 first. Okay. Okay, this time we do individual lah. Better. Okay, so Ahmad Hafiz, question number 1. Can you try and see what will be the answer? Apa jawapan kamu? Tax relief. Mana satu? Ahmad? Do you know the answer? Tahu tak? Mana satu adalah pelepasan cukai? Tax relief. Kalau kamu tak tahu, kamu boleh rujuk buku teks juga. Okay, you can refer textbook. B ya. Okay, let us check. Okay, so basically, tax relief, employer subsidy, definitely wrong. We never study that. Own education fee, definitely wrong also. We never study that. So actually, the most correct option, I also feel, is B. Okay, so the answer is B for this question. Okay, so basically, if you refer textbook lah, tax relief is actually, let me see the example. Tax relief is EPF. Okay, most common example is EPF, and then EPF. Wait, medical treatment and education fee. Okay, so Ahmad, right? Bila mereka kata pelepasan cukai kan, tax relief, actually, right, the answer is C. Okay, education fee. Sudah dinyatakan dalam buku teks. Okay, so the jawapan is not B, actually. Okay, B is under tax exemption, pelepasan cukai. Okay, boleh faham tak? Okay, yang ni theory lah, so kena hafal. Okay, must memorize one. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay, so next one, question 2. Okay, next one. Aife, can you try? Soalan 2. Yang ni also theory. Try to recall back theory. This one, right, guys? If you get wrong, also doesn't matter, because this one sometimes you never memorize. Even I also never memorize this one all. That's why you see, I refer to textbook. Then I tell you all, because this one is like theory. Okay, so pengecualian cukai, exemption tax. Okay, so I say A. Okay, let me check and see. Okay, so yes, the answer is correct. Okay, so the answer is gift and donation. So always remember, guys, when you see exemption, right, the first thing come to your mind is gift and donation. These are the keywords. You can remember keyword, kata kunci untuk lebih senang. So pengecualian cukai, it will be gift, hadiah, donation, derma. These are the two keywords. Okay, guys. So answer for 2 is A. Okay, next one. Okay, now we come to calculation. Okay, question number 3. Elisa, can you try? This one is not hard, quite easy. But you must read the question carefully. Very good. Okay, you never get the careless mistake. Okay, guys. So the only thing you need to take note here is the question asks you half year, setengah tahun. So guys, when you times these two value, guys, the answer you get, is it annually, is it 12 months or 1 month? This value. Bila kamu darab yang ni dengan yang ni, the value you get, is it monthly or annually? Yes. Okay, it represents 12 months. So guys, half year, setengah tahun. How many months you have? Berapa bulan? 6 months. because half times 12 is 6. So 6 months. So you must divide your answer by 2. Bahagi jawapan dengan 2. So that's why you will get the answer finally is boy 180.65. Okay, so can you see guys, all this type of calculation, right? They come out in paper 1, especially the property assessment tax, road tax, all of that. Okay, so next one, this one is service tax. So next person, who is it? Karthik, can you try this question? Should be no problem. Guys, just want to ask lah, you all okay, right? We do question like this. Hopefully it's not too boring lah for you all. Okay? It's not boring, right? Tak bosan kan? Because it help you to do by your own. Okay, you try a lot of question, then it come better at the topic. Okay. So what is the answer you get? Huh? You didn't miss anything. I think you're right, Adi. You don't use all the 4 items, guys. If you refer the question, right, you have only 3 items given. 1, 2, 3. Means 1 item won't be used over here in the table. Kita takkan guna semua nilai. So you will avoid the fried rice. Because fried rice, they never buy. So means that you ignore this value. You just use the other 3 value to count. So do you get Adi? What is the answer? Okay. Wait. Okay. Very good. Okay, guys. Does everyone here get C? All of you here, you should get C. Yeah. Final answer. Okay. So the working is you take 4 times 2 plus with 0.20 times 6 plus with 250 times 2. Take that answer times with 106%, because 6% service tax means 106%. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, next person. Okay, theory. Okay, next one, Emily. Can you try and see who will collect this type of tax? Okay, so this one memang must memorize, no other way. But you can be smart a bit and guess correctly based on the name. So Emily, do you get the answer? Not A. Okay, very simple, Emily. You see this first one, right? Inland Revenue Board, right? When you always see this, the first thing come to your mind is income tax. Guys, do you all remember when the income tax calculation, they will ask you, let's say PCB less than income tax, what happened? There will always be one body collecting the tax. Do you all remember that body? Is this one, guys. Cukai pendapatan is always collected by LHDN. Income tax is collected by the Inland Revenue Board. Always remember this. Even if the rest you don't remember, it's okay. This one very important because subjective, right? They can sometimes ask who collect the income tax because they might have a question on income tax. So you must remember this name, Inland Revenue Board or LHDN. So number one automatically is wrong because they say it's Cukai Tanah. Okay, so means that every answer here is wrong. So the final answer is B only. Am I right? So the rest, you no need to check also. So the answer is automatically B. Okay, guys? Can you understand? This is the technique we use to answer paper 1. So that is more fast. Okay, you try to spot a very clear option. Even the other two you don't know, right? You try to eliminate the one you know. Then you will get the answer. Okay? So the answer you will get is B. Okay, so next one. Okay, so for the next question is calculation, road tax. Okay, so for this one, next person is Hakim, the pro over here. Number 6, you must solve. This one is also easy. Guys, you all got here, right? People tell this topic very hard. Am I right, guys? Everyone here. But then, right, when you do the topic, right, is it that hard? Everyone here. After I teach you and discuss all the question. Shouldn't be, right? It shouldn't be that hard. Okay? Yes, you will get 355 as your answer. Okay, so this question, answer is 355. So how to get 355? You will take base rate 280 plus with progressive rate. So 1950 minus 1800 times 0.5. Press calculator. Then you will get the answer. Okay. So this is for road tax. Okay. So next one. Question number 7. Okay. So question 7. Okay. This one is more on the earlier parts. Okay. You must count the taxable income. Okay. So this one might need some time. Okay. So let's see who is it. Angela, are you still here or not? Or are you lag? If you are here, please say yes, Angela. And if you're not here, then I'll remove already. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay, the first person. Ahmad, cuba soalan ni. Actually, this question, right? Everyone can try. Semua cuba. Everyone try and see. Because this question is slightly long. So you must know all the steps. Guys, one more thing lah. When you come and attend the Google Meet, right? Don't park yourself here. Do you understand the meaning by the word park? You just saw right just now. If anyone just like that there, right? I straight remove you. Nothing else. Okay, don't come back and question me why remove. Okay, only the ones who are committed stay here. Okay, or else you're out. Okay, that's the policy. Okay. Do you get it, everyone? You must be fast a bit in your calculation. Gaji tu kena tolak jadual ke sir? No, tak perlu. Gaji tu kena tolak. Yes, yes, kena tolak. Okay, gaji is kamu akan tolak dengan nilai yang lain. The rest of the values. Then only you get chargeable income. Betul? Kamu dapat pendapatan bercukai. Ambil gaji, tolak. Wah, cepatnya. Saya pun tak kira lagi. Okay, 70,000 minus 350. Okay, minus minus, okay. Kamu tertipu lah. Mereka suruh, wait, sat. Pendapatan. Okay, guys. Oh, yeah, correct. Guys, over here, no need to count tax, They ask you count chargeable income only. Sorry, my question mistake. Because I saw in English taxable income, but I thought they are asking to count the amount of tax. Okay, but actually taxable income is the same thing as chargeable income. Okay, sorry, So the answer is just A. You take 70,000 minus 350 minus 9,000 minus 1700 minus 7,000. The last one, be careful. The limit is 7,000. So don't minus 7,050. You will get the wrong answer. Okay, so the final answer is A for this one. Okay, wait. Okay, so question number 8. We try one more lah. Then the rest you all can try. Okay, because I know you all tired, right? Everyone here tired. Am I right? I can feel from over here also that you all tired. Is it correct, guys? All of you. Trials, I understand. Okay, last one. We try last one. Number 8. The rest I will discuss next week. All can try this one also. Semua cuba. All of your school now got extra class, is it? Every single school. Oh, I see. Understand. What is the timing like for extra class? Is it like deep into the evening? 2 to 4. Okay, reasonable. Just got Benkel on random days. Guys, I ask you one question lah. The Benkel you attend, right? Is it like effective? The ones you go to? Not right. Very correct. Okay, because right, the Benkel, I don't know how to say lah, but maybe they don't plan it so well. I'm not so sure. Yes, trust me, guys. My time when SPM also, right? The class tamban, right? The teacher, right? He will just give the kertas to do. He won't discuss anything. Just give for the student to do. They do or don't do, don't matter. You do, you gain. You don't do, nothing happen to you lah. Okay, that is the policy. Sometimes honest lah, guys. I honest. Lucky this chat don't appear, or else later you all will tell that I setting a bad example for you all. Am I right? But I tell the truth lah. I'm honest. So, because right, if you think logically, self-study at this time is better. Am I right? I think all of you will agree. Self-study is more effective because you can cover more things on your own. If you're a person who like to study on your own, right, and cannot study in a group, like a lot of influence from your classmate, very difficult to study. So it's like you sit in a room, you close the door, don't want anyone beside, you study. Trust me, that study, right, any subject also will be very effective. You try and see, every one of you here. It will help a lot. Even though very short time, right, it helps. Okay, because it's quality study. Everything that you study will enter your brain. Okay, so anyone got the answer, Adi? What is your answer for this? Okay, later we discuss that one. Now focus on the question, guys. Okay, so I also never get the answer. Think some mistake over here. Anyone here got struggle to get the answer? Because my first try I didn't get. Oh, I see. I use wrong value already. So siapa kat sini dah dapat jawapan? Can you all share? A, B, C, D. Which one is your answer? A, I guess. The rest of you don't know. Okay, so I explained to everyone here. Okay, guys. So you have an income including total allowance. So, guys, if they say including, do I need to plus 3260? Yes or no? Everyone here. If they say including, termasuk, no need. Means that you ignore this value. No need to do anything. Then they say already tax exempted. So you no need to minus that value also. So next, total tax relief. So you minus 65,000 minus 13,500. You will get 51,500. Okay, so 51,500, you refer this value 1,800. So you're going to take 51,500 minus 50,000 times 14%. Okay, you will get a value of 210. This value you plus with base tax 1800. You will get 2010. Not yet finished. You must minus zakat. Okay, so minus zakat 345. So final answer, sorry, you should get 1665. Okay, no answer here. I think something wrong with the question. Your answer should have 1665. Okay, guys. So this one got no answer correct. If I'm not mistaken, lah. Okay. If the question is correct. Okay, I think it's all correct already. What I did. Bonus. There's no bonus here. What? Where's the bonus? Oh, bonus question. Okay, I got scared for a while. You say that I thought must plus something else. Okay, yes, this is a bonus question. Okay, guys, are you all clear with the lesson today? Everyone can get it? Every single thing I discussed. Hopefully, this 1.5 hours you spend effective lah for you all. So that chapter 4, you memang clear already. You can score full mark in the exam. Okay. I don't understand your German language. If you can help me translate. Okay. Thank you. So anyone else got any question you want to ask?